Example H, 942 thousandths multiplied by 81 and 7/10. First, I'm going to multiply 9, 4, and 2 by 7. So 2 times 7 is 14. I put a 4 here and I carry the 1. Then I multiply the 4 by the 7. I get 28. I add the 1 that I carried to get 29. Place a 9 there, carry the 2. Then I multiply 9 times 7 and I get 63. Then I add 2 and that gives me 65. I place a 0 on the next line as a placeholder, and then I'm going to clean this up just a bit. I'll trade colors, and then now I'm going to be focusing on multiplying, by the 1. So I'm finished multiplying by the 7. 2 times 1 is 2, 4 times 1 is 4, and 9 times 1 is 9. I place a 0 and then another 0 as a placeholder on that third line, and then I'll trade colors again. Now I'm multiplying by the 8, and I want to that looks a little bit messy. Let me clean that up. So I'm multiplying 2 times 8, I get 16. I carry the 1 and place it over the 4. 8 times 4 is 32. I add the 1 that I carried and I get 33. I place a 3 here and carry the 3. Then 9 times 8 is 72, plus 3 gives me 75. And there's no other digit to carry that to, that's why the 75 just all goes down here at the bottom. So now I add these up. 4 and 0 gives me 4. 9 and 2 gives me 11, so I place a 1 here, and then I carry a 1. Well, 6 and 4 makes 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 1 more is 16, so I place a 6 here, carry the 1. 9 and 1 makes 10, plus 6 and 3 makes 19, so I place a 9 here, carry the 1. 1 and the 5 gives me 6, and then 7 I carry down, that's not added to anything. And then you need to place a decimal. So I'm going to go back over here where I can actually see the original problem, and I'm going to count to the right of the decimal, 1, 2, 3 digits, and then to the right of this decimal, there's just 1 digit, so I look to the right of the decimal, and together that makes 4 digits or 4 decimal places. So when you don't see a decimal, it always starts out here on the right side, and then I move the decimal to the left 4 times, so I need to go past 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it ends up between the 6 and the 9. So 76.9614. Or if I want to say it formally, I need to count to this place. So tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths. Let me type that. That's the 10,000ths place. So I would read this 76 and 9,614 10,000ths.